Hey, what's up guys, my name is Andrew and I'm from Army's Trading Academy, and welcome back guys to my channel. So what I'm going to do today guys, today I'm going to teach you one of the best 5-minute trading strategies using freestockcharts.com, which is free charting solution, and by using a couple of indicators. So first things first guys, first things you need to do in order to start trading in binary options is first thing you need to choose the broker, and I would highly recommend you to choose brokers listed below this video in the description box. So there are a couple of good and recommended choices guys. As you know guys, if you go into the Google and if you type in best binary options brokers, you will know guys, you will see that there are a ton of scams guys. There are thousands of brokers guys, and the majority of them are scams. And by the scam brokers guys, it means that they are going to scam you. They're not gonna allow you to withdraw the money, you know. And so that's why I've been scammed in the past a lot guys. I've been scammed a ton of times, and I don't want you to be scammed again guys. So please guys, only choose safe, tested and regulated brokers such as 24 options or stock pair, which is also regulated. Or if you are from the United States, then you can also choose Trade Hunter, which is really reputable and a good broker. It also offers you to trade from as little as $1 per trade. And so please guys, choose one of these brokers below the video. I would highly recommend you to do so. But okay guys, let's start to do our trading strategy, okay? So today guys, I'm going to quickly explain you one of this trading strategy, which is proven to be one of the best 5-minute trading strategies. So 5-minute trading strategies guys, we are looking for a 5-minute chart. Okay guys, first things first. What is this guys? This is a free charting solution. When you go to freestockcharts.com, the link will be below the video again. So freestockcharts.com is free charting solution provided by them, which is completely free guys. One of the things that I want to note guys, please do not pay any money to any charting solution guys. Charting solutions are free and supposed to be free. There are many charting solutions that are created by the third parties, and many of them are required to pay some money or some fees or whatsoever, you know. But the thing is this guys, for the charting solutions, there is no need to pay any money to charting solutions guys, because there are a lot of choices you can choose. You can choose either MetaTrader 4, also called MT4, or you can choose TradingView, or you can choose this one, which is my favorite, freestockstart.com, which is running on Firefox browser. So please guys, don't pay any money to any charting solutions. If you have any questions guys, please email me and I will help you out. Anyway, let's start. I will start explaining this trading strategy. So 5-minute trading strategy is like this. So first things we need to do is we need to make sure we are on 5-minute chart. So we are on 5-minute chart for this 5-minute strategy. So one candle is 5 minutes, and then what we are going to do is we are going to use two indicators. First, we are going to use Bollinger Bands. How you can apply Bollinger Bands? Simply choose whichever major currency pair you wish to trade for. For this instance, I have a year of JPY, as I can see. We can simply go on Add Indicator, scroll on the Bollinger Bands, which is right here. There are two types of Bollinger Bands. For this strategy, we're going to use this second one. You click on it, and then you will see that you will have Bollinger Bands on your price history table right here. And then the second indicator, we are looking for stochastics guys. And how we can add stochastics, we simply go to Add Indicator, we scroll on to stochastics like so, and then we are going to simply use, we're not going to change any settings, we're going to use default settings, which in our case are stochastic period will be 12, K will be 3, and the actual D line will be set to 5. So we're not gonna change any adjustments for this strategy. So here we go guys. So the strategy is like this. Whenever we see the crossover, whenever we see a candle crossing either top or top line or bottom line of the Bollinger Band. This will be our first confirmation for a trade. Then the second confirmation, we need to make sure that the stochastics are under or a red line on the bottom. I will use simple terms for this. We used to call top line is 80 line and bottom line is the 20 line, but I will just say bottom line and the top line. So what we are going to look, what we are looking for is, again, we're looking for the candle to cross, the top or the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and then we are looking for stochastics to also cross either the top or the bottom line, and then we are looking for the crossover of those lines, of the stochastics and D line. You can also, guys, apply stochastics on a MetaTrader 4. On MetaTrader 4, this is going to be called as stochastic oscillator. So let's going to see. What are we going to do is, let's just. I haven't seen this before. I'm going to challenge myself now, and let's just scroll to the very start. And let's going to see for the situations. Well, as you can see, like here. Candle crossed the upper Bollinger Band here, and then again here. What we are looking for? We are looking for the candlestick to cross the Bollinger Band, and then we are looking for the formation of the opposite candle. And at the same time, we are looking for the crossover, or more specifically, guys, we are looking for this gap. We are looking for the gap between those lines. And at this stage, we will be able to see that the lines will actually cross each other and are going to head down, as we can see here. So, again, we are seeing that the Bollinger Band is crossing the top. We are seeing that, we can clearly see that the candlestick is crossing the upper Bollinger Band, for example, right? We are still waiting. We are still waiting for the next candle. As we can see, the next candle again is crossing the top of the Bollinger Band. We are still waiting for the opposite candlestick. For like here. Here we can see that the candlestick is the red candlestick is forming, and at the same time we will be able to see that these two lines are having gaps between each other, and we will see that those two lines are going to cross each other. We are looking for this crossover, guys, and whenever we see this crossover, we go to our broker's platform. Simply, we go to the broker's platform, and we place the trade. We place the put trade, obviously. So if the candlesticks are crossing the top, and the stochastics are heading down from the 80 line, we are going to jump in and we are going to place a put trade for the next 5 minutes. And the same, guys, applies for the call trade. Let's go. Let's move forward and let's see what we will. Is there any other situation? You know, I just want to say, I don't want to explain you the strategy. I want to actually show you this strategy, you know, in action. So this was one example, perfect example. Then move on. Nothing happens here. The candlesticks are just jumping in between the Bollinger Bands, which means nothing. Again, the second situation here. The candlestick crossed the Bollinger Band. Red candlestick started to form. It will be around here. We will see that the stochastic line is above the 80 line, and this will be again the next confirmation for our excellent put trade. And as we can see, this put trade would be not only excellent for 5 minutes, it's actually excellent for 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. So here actually we could win 4 times in a row. But we're not gonna do it. We're gonna place only one trade, only one put trade for 5 minutes in this area. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Nothing happens here. Again, we can see a major spike. Major spike happened in here. Stochastics crossed the 80 line, and then the red candle started to form here. So in here we would put another put trade, and it would be deadly in the money. Not only for 5, again, it'll be like for half an hour, you know. Let's move on. If you don't believe me, let's move on, guys. I will show you how the strategy works. It really works. The strategy is really powerful. And only by half an hour away, I can see another situation forming right here. candlestick crossed the bottom Bollinger Band. Candlestick didn't go opposite direction. It's still a red candle. And here, boom, we see that the green candlestick is forming. And whenever this green candlestick is forming, we will see the Bollinger Band going upwards. And we are looking for this gap, and we are jumping in and placing call trade. And it'll be beautiful call trade, even though this price is this spike is going opposite direction. This will be anyway. This is going to be really good in the money trade, call trade. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Nothing happens here. Nothing happens here. Nothing happens here. Here we can see again another situation. So as you can see, guys, it's really powerful strategy. And when you just look at the practice it, guys, practice it, and you will see, guys, that the same situations, you know, will repeat again and again. You know, here you can see, you know. And the thing is this, guys, it takes practice, okay? So that's why I want to encourage you guys to practice. And the best way to practice would be open a Trade Hunter account with this regulated broker, because here you can trade for as little as $1. And why I'm talking about the actual investment of $1. Guys, I've been trading Forex for the past 4.5 years, and I've been trading binary options for the past 2 years, little bit over 2 years. And the thing is this, guys, that realistically, if you can open demo account, you can open demo account, okay, and you can place trades on demo account. But the thing is this, guys, whenever you will open a real account and whenever you will invest real money, your mindset will work differently, okay, completely differently, because you will be more stressed out, you will be more attentive, and your focus will be completely different, and this way you may lose a lot of money, guys. That's why I would encourage you to start trading with real money, but with little money, okay, with little money. That's why I would encourage you to open a Trade Hunter account, if for example, if you're in United States. Because in my experience, guys, what happened to me in the beginning when I started to trade, I was applying many kinds of different strategies, okay, on demo account with demo money. But whenever I placed money on a demo account, when I placed trades, then they worked out very nicely, you know. I placed many trades and then I was in a good profits. But whenever it came to actually investing real money, I was more cautious, I was more nervous, and I was more worried about my trades, you know. And I was like, oh, okay, this would be, for example, this would be a nice put trade, okay. I'll be like, oh, maybe should I wait, you know, and maybe should I wait for the next trade. And I missed so many trades, and I lost money, you know, eventually, a bit of money, you know. So I don't want that to happen to you guys. So that's why I want to encourage you to open a real account with real money, but only invest as little as $1 per trade. Like $1 per trade, guys, is really nothing in binary options. But I know that in some countries, $1 could be a lot. $1 could be a lot, and if that's the case, then practice demo account. But bear in mind, guys, remember my words. When you trade on demo account and when you trade on real account, you will trade completely differently. Your mindset will work differently, guys. So please bear that in mind. But anyway, guys, I want you to practice this powerful 5-minute strategy. I'm going to explain the strategy more in depth. If you want me to in tomorrow's video, let me know. But here we go, guys. So what we are here 13 minutes. Okay, I'm going to cut the video. But yeah, again, guys, I will explain you again. We're looking for the candlestick to cross the Bollinger Band. Then we need to make sure that the next candlestick is in opposite direction, starting to form. And then at the same time, we are looking for the stochastics to be either either above our 80 line or below our 20 line, and that's the indication when we can jump in and place the trades. So here we go, guys. This is really powerful strategy. It has been proven on. I didn't make up this strategy, guys. This strategy has been known for a long time. It's really powerful strategy and really powerful if you practice it and if you master it. If you master this strategy, guys, then you can say bye-bye to your 9-to-5 job. But again, practice on daily basis. Practice in the morning and during different market volatility times. And yeah, guys, so please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, guys, please email me. Yeah, if you're looking for a safe and regulated brokers, read in the description box below video. And yeah, guys, please like and share and trade responsibly. And see you again next time. See you tomorrow. Bye.